Welcome to CIS 225 and user support. Today we will be using VMware Workstation with Windows 7 to view limited permissions for users. In this activity, we will change system settings related to time to see which changes will cause Windows 7 to prompt for permission to make the change. Step 1, we're going to go to the Start button and click the control panels. User accounts and family safety. Click user accounts. All the way at the bottom, click change user account control settings. When the UAC box appears, click yes. Note the slider control in its current position between the always notify and never notify settings. In the box next to the slider control, Windows will display an explanation of what the current settings will do. Move the slider to each setting and note the description for each setting. Move the slider up to the setting closest to always notify. Check. Click the OK button. When the UAC box appears, click the Yes button. On the left side of the user accounts window, click the control panel home to return to the list of the control panel options. In control panel, click clock, language, and region. In the clock, language, and region window, click set the time and date. Make sure that the date and time tab is selected. Click the OK button to apply your changes. Using the time zone drop-down menu, select the time zone that is different than the one currently selected. Click OK. Click OK to change the settings. Notice the new time displayed on the clock. Reset your time zone back to its initial setting. Make sure the date and time tab is selected. Note that the change date and time button has a shield displayed on the button. The shield indicates that this option is protected by user account control. Click the change date and time button. When the UAC box appears, click yes. Change the time to add 1 hour to its current time. Click the OK button to save your changes. Note that the system clock has changed. Repeat the steps required to reset the time back. And next we're going to change our slider bar back to its default. So control panel home, user accounts, change user account control settings, hit the yes button, and we're going to switch it back to default. Hit OK. Click the Start button and type CMD into the Search Programs and Files search box. Press Enter to accept the found program, which will start the command window. In the command window, type the command diskpart and press Enter. Note that you are prompted by a user account control to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Click No. Note that the command window displays the message Access Denied. The default user account control settings prompts if a program attempts to change the Windows settings. Access is denied. Close this window and this completes this exercise.